project we looked at is called Willows 124. There are 31 buildings. There's about 3,000 squares of IKO Cambridge being installed on the project. It's been a labor of love. Our company is a building envelope company, so we do everything from roofing to wall systems to waterproofing.
This project is massive. It's rare that you have a project of quite this magnitude, so it carries with it, some complications that you have to traverse. Safety is number one, making sure that everything that you do is within the constructs of the safety program that we have. Also with that comes with a lot of planning. So Chinook will get us their orders, and then we're out there typically 1 to 2 days before with the materials necessary. Need to be on site ready for them to install.
Stoneway has been a key player for us in this project. They have delivered every building that we've done so far and do in the future. All the materials are rooftop delivered. They've been very responsive. They've been a key player. They've been very safe on the job site. At the end of our install, we have a crew go back to the roof and do another final inspection for trade damage. You're checking every shingle, every area, every perimeter. All of those things are checked during our inspection so that we can, have peace of mind, and our contractor can also have peace of mind.